What better way to kick off fall than with baby goats? A snack-obsessed camel and cuddly calves. Animals never fail to amuse at Davis Farmland's Children's Discovery Farm in Sterling, Massachusetts.
It really is just a full-day adventure.
The biggest attraction here, however, is for all ages, a good old-fashioned corn maze. Nikki Sacco is general manager.
In 1998, that was the first maze here at Davis Mega Maze.
The 6-acre mega maze has 2.5 miles of paths and challenges. The theme changes every year. 2025's Lost Jungle offers several levels of intensity among the stalks, says Sacco.
Come in with the attitude, the right shoes, that's always going to be the most important thing. With the goal, find your way out.
Area farms look plenty inviting as harvest season is underway. What do you have?
Got some corn, got some apple cider donuts, pepper, onion.
I love the fall here when we start doing big bulk harvests. It's a lot of fun.
In the town of Millis, the 65-acre Tangerini's farm looks like a movie set, complete with a restaurant and farm stand. With the charm comes hard work, says owner Linda Terizio.
Our crew gets here between 6:30 and 7.
Among the 70 varieties of fruits and vegetables grown here is a crowd favorite.
We love their tomatoes. Fresh tomatoes are my favorite.
Every year, Tangerini's farm harvests 25,000 pounds of tomatoes from August to the first frost, says Terizio.
This is our conveyor harvester. We have our crew on the ground. They sort and grade the tomatoes so that if they have any blemishes on them, they either go to our commercial kitchens or they go into the farm stand if they're looking absolutely perfect. Anything that's too far gone ends up going in our compost and goes right back in the soil.
Visitors can also pick their own tomatoes.
How do you know it's ready for the picking?
You're looking for totally red. It's going to be the sweetest tomato we can get. It should have a nice, slightly firm feel to it. You want something with a good weight to it.
This has a solid weight to it. It's really good.
Honestly,
Oh my God, so fresh.
the farm trucks, I keep a salt shaker in there.
Oh.
I'm not even kidding. Just like drive around after
Yes.
harvest and a little salt.
Terizio and her husband Steve have a serious love of good food. Years before they bought Tangerini's farm in 2019, Linda was a head chef for the Red Sox.
The first shift I ever worked at Fenway was opening day 2010, and we had Steven Tyler as a guest. He ordered a lobster roll from me, and I was griddling the lobster roll, and he took a bite of it, and he said it was the best toasted bun he'd ever had. That will live rent-free in my brain forever.
From plating meals to planting pick your own flowers.
It's just nice to come out and see all the different varieties and just kind of take a walk through.
And what's your favorite one?
Maybe these little ones over here. They're like very vibrant.
Not to mention rows upon rows of sunflowers.
You can't help but smile when you walk down and look at these.
100%.
The team at Tangerini's farm hopes these sunflowers will last well into October.
We have 3 different plantings. They're all branching sunflowers, which means that we have this big center stalk here, and then there's several sunflowers off of that single stalk.
Perfect.
Nothing like a bouquet to brighten your day.
Now this is fall fun.
All right, little tomato factoid from Linda, by the way. She says dry, hot summers are the ones that make for the sweetest, most flavorful tomatoes. I thought it was more humidity, but she says dry and hot.
And they were so good. All right, back to Davis Farm. The entire corn maze is planted by using GPS. Computers drop the seeds exactly where the design calls for. It's pretty wild, but you got to think that's a huge maze. That's how they do it. It's pretty cool. The maze, however, is closed for the season, so you're going to have to wait till next year to see what they have next.